Hello, I wanted to share with you a couple recipes on how to make your own baby products. First, I'm going to show you how to make your own booty cream. We cloth diaper here, so it's important to have the right kind of cream as you don't want repelling to happen in your diaper. So that is why I make my own diaper cream. This one is super easy. You take a half cup of coconut oil, scoop that into a bowl. And then essential oils. You can use any oils you want. A lot of people just use coconut oil and lavender. I like to add some extra oils. So I'm going to do 10 drops of Gentle Baby. And 10 drops of lavender. These oils are all really good for their skin, very nourishing. 10 drops of Melrose, which is a blend of several different oils. And then 5 drops of geranium. And since her skin seems kind of dry, I don't know if it's the winter time, I'm going to add some vitamin E and just a little splash of that. I don't measure a whole lot, so then you just take your whisk and whip it up there so all of the essential oils are incorporated. I like using products that I know are safe for my babies. I don't have to worry about what ingredients are in it. I know exactly what is in here. The only thing with coconut oil is in the summertime, if it gets too hot, it will liquefy. So you just have to watch for that. You still use it. You just put it on their little bums and they're good to go. So once you get that all whipped up, then I just transfer it over to containers like that. I have little 2-ounce jars. They're nice to keep on the changing table, or they're small enough to carry in the diaper bag. So that is the diaper cream that I like to use. The next product I use with the cloth diapers is a booty spray. I use cloth wipes, so as I'm cleaning them, I spray their bottom down and then wipe them with the wipes. I'm actually making a double recipe today. So the recipe calls for chamomile tea. So I just boil some water and let the tea bag soak, usually overnight or 2 nights depending when I get to it. So it's good and strong. So the recipe is for 1 cup of tea. So I have 2 cups here since I'm doing a double recipe. Next is a teaspoon of Castile soap. So I will add 2 of those. A teaspoon of sunflower oil. Also add 2 of those. Now you can use whatever oil you prefer, sweet almond oil, olive oil, whatever you have on hand, liquid coconut oil, anything like that would work. And then a ½ teaspoon of witch hazel. So I will do 1 teaspoon of that. And then the essential oils. In my spray, I like to use tea tree. 1 recipe calls for 5 drops, so we're going to do 10 again. And then 5 drops of lavender. So we'll do 10 drops of lavender. Okay, and then I also put Melrose in that. So another 10 drops of Melrose, 5 if you're just doing a single recipe. Okay, that's all the ingredients in that. So then I just carefully mix it up. You don't want to stir it too much or it's going to get bubbly with the soap in it. Just stir enough to incorporate the oils. And then just pour it into your container of choice. I have a larger spray bottle. This is what I use on my changing table. I also have a small 2-ounce spray bottle that I keep in the diaper bag. And that's it. So in 5 minutes I've made diaper cream and diaper spray. And I know everything that's in it. I don't have to worry about any harsh chemicals or any toxins going on to my baby's body. Hope you all enjoy the video. Thank you.